I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can use family sharing on iOS 18. So just go ahead and open your settings first. Family sharing can be found in your Apple account. So right at the top where you can see your name, just go ahead and tap here. And now right under iCloud, you would see the family button. Just go ahead and tap there. And now just invite your family to share subscriptions, purchase sharing, location sharing. So once you tap on this top right corner button, just wait for it to load. You would see this option, invite others. And there's also the option to create child account. So it says right here that child accounts can be created by parent or legal guardian for children 12 and younger. So if you tap on invite others, you can either choose airdrop or messages, or you can also do mail. There's also the option to invite in person. Just go ahead and tap there and let your family type in your email and password and tap on next. And in this way, you can successfully use family sharing in iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.